In-order ko sa Amazon. Wash and wax. The wash and wax. Hi guys, it was raining, so we cleaned my new car. Here.
Okay.
You ready?
Might as well, I think.
Okay. We're cleaning the car with the right chemicals, with the right to shine.
Washing the car, we are chemically treating the car.
Okay.
Show the hood, the bubbles on the hood already.
Yeah. Yeah. Biglang umulan ang aga-aga. Kaya nilinis na namin ang aking princess. Ready?
Yeah.
Take it. I'll drive it inside the garage.
Yeah.
Okay. Garage. Ipunasan na namin ng microfiber towel. So, para shiny. Yung aming isang car nandoon pa sa Oregon. Dadalhin pa dito soon. Ito yung bike ko. Flat yung ligid. Gulong. Sa Tagalog. Flat yung gulong. Ito guys. Ito yung stop. This is really safe in the garage. See green, and then yellow, and then closer red.
Stop stick.
Yeah, stop stick.
Turn
So,
red. Stop.
so you don't have to get out of your car to check if you are close to the wall or you hit the wall. So it's
Walk
green.
up and show them how it works.
Yeah, so I did.
Okay.
So this is how it used. So example, I'm the car right now, going inside the garage, closer, then it's green,
Keep going.
and then keep going, yellow, and then keep going. So I set it up like this, red. So you are here, still have a lot of space. See? Have a lot of space here to park the car. So that's it. It's really nice. So I have two here in the garage side by side because we have two cars. You can do 3 cars here, and you can park here outside also because there's a lot of space.
Park 5 cars.
You can park 5 cars here. Do the inside of the car. So it's a little dark in here. So I have my, when it's hot, you can cover with this. And it's nothing really inside. Empty. I don't want so much. Okay. We don't really need to put it inside the house, but I don't want to throw it away. So we still have to buy shelving for all of this and the ladder. Are you done so I can do the bottom? Here.
Okay, do the windows first.
Okay.
You might rinse that out, the towel. Looks like it's got water in it. People think, well, they're crazy. They're washing the car in the rain. We're not washing the car. We're chemically treating the car.
Yeah.
And it has to be on a cool day. And we're in Arizona. In other words, the water will beat up. You got a chemical.
And it's really wet.
Rinse it out. What do you think, Ma? I'll tell you, I can't believe we got it done in Arizona. Too bad the light in here is not very good. Now, once you treat this, you're supposed to go a year, and you won't have to touch it.